Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, guys. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome.
Hey,
All right.
David.
Hello. Guys, let's go over the markets. All right. So we had a big update today. The Dow was up about 317 points. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. NASDAQ, all the markets were up. So Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, Russell, all up today. So good price action. So here's the Dow right here. All right. So at a big candle, right? We still need to break through resistance on the Dow, but we'll take that price action today. The S&P is right here. Right. The S&P is right here. Buy signal right here, trading nicely, looking to break resistance there. All right. So that looks good on the S&P. The NASDAQ also looks good right here. Buy signal is here, looking to break through resistance. We are hoping that we can break resistance. The price action today certainly helped. Price action yesterday certainly helped. All right. So we are definitely looking forward. Hopefully, this week we can break through resistance on the down. Here's the Russell here. All right, here's the Russell. All right, buy signal is here. Also, the Russell looking to break through resistance here. Caught between support and resistance. Support is down here. Resistance is up here. All right, so good price action today. We did see some good movement in some of the e-minis. All right. The VIX is at 1484 currently. All right. So 1484 currently. The majority of the sectors are holding, guys. So the majority of the sectors are holding. All right. VIX did make a move up a bit, but still fine. Anything under 20 is good. So 1484 is good. All right. Let's take a look at, I want to go right into, let's see here. The US 30 long. So the US 30 guys, or US 30 traders, all right, you guys should be in this trade. All right, so US 30 traders, you should be in this trade. A good long trade going here. Buy signal is here. All right, and we're all the way up here. All right, so good trade going here with the US 30. The previous buy trade, the previous long trade did really well. Bought here, sold here. So that's almost identical, right? Look at that. Almost identical to the same place. Hopefully, this time around, we get higher, a bit higher than this area right here. All right, so good price action. We are watching the NAS, right? The NAS, so our NAS 100 traders. All right. We'll let you guys know if we're going to call this trade. All right. So NAS 100. We do have a buy signal, but it's tricky here, right? We have a, see that here, this triangle right here. Sellers are waiting here. Sellers are waiting here. So sellers could come back here on the NAS 100. But good markup phase, right? Good markup phase. Buy signal is here on the daily, and good price action, good markup phase there. All right, so very good trading. All right, we'll look to bring out, start launching. We've launched it already, but we got to do these systems one at a time, guys, one at a time. Um, so you know, our traders can get familiar with those systems. They all trade a little differently. And then the S&P, right? So we'll look to bring out the S&P 500. It does have a buy signal here, and this one moves pretty fast too. All right, buy signal here and moving higher there. So we'll look to probably bring that out. We'll see, hopefully next week, depending on how the other systems are running. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current trades we have. And we'll start with Monster Scalper, right? So Monster Scalper, long positions, all right? If you guys have any symbols, any picks, any alerts you want me to take a look at, just let me know. So these are long positions in Monster Scalper. All right, USD PLN. Some of this we'll have to remove. Okay, I've been gone for, out of touch for a few days here. So some of these we'll need to clean up. All right. So USD PLN, let's clean that up. Sell signal came in right here. So let's clean that up. All right. The dollar pairs were doing really well, but they changed. If you guys look here in the futures market, we now have a sell short signal on the dollar. All right, sell short signal on the dollar, which tells us equity markets wants to move, higher. All right, so this is good news for equities, right? Dollar has dollar has a sell short signal here. So hopefully the dollar can get right back at $100 and hopefully break. But we do have red candles and a sell short signal on the dollar. All right, so just keep that in mind as we go through these. All right. Dollar, so USD PLN, close that. Dollar ZAR. Hey, Gary, welcome, Gary. Dollar ZAR, we should be out of that trade. All right. So, all right. Dollar CAD, we should be out. Buy signal here, sell signal here. On the break of support, we should be out. All right. Dollar CAD. And dollar USD SEK, buy signal here, sell signal all the way here. So we should be out of the dollar pairs long, guys. Out of the dollar pairs long. All right. In especially in Monster Scalper. Pound PLN, clean that up. All right. Sell signal here. All right. Buy signal here, sell signal here. Clean that up. All right. Pound HKD, pound HKD, buy signal is here. That's holding. Pound dollar, buy signal is here. That's holding. Pound pairs are finally moving for us, guys. All right. Pound SGD, buy signal is here. That's trading nicely. Pound CAD, guys, buy signal is here, moving up nicely. So the pound pairs are trading nicely, moving up higher. Pound PLN, all right, buy signal is here, close that trade. Not a very good trade. EUR PLN, all right. Euro ZAR, close Euro ZAR. All right, buy signal is here, close that trade there. All right. Euro SEK, buy signal was here, sell signal, broke support, red candles to get out. All right. So EURSEK, sell, get rid of that trade. Aussie CAD, another one here. Buy signal is here, sell signal. So Aussie CAD. So clean up those trades, please. And then your shorts. All right. We do have some shorts going in the yen pairs. All right. In the yen pairs. So let's take a look at those. All right, so in the yen pairs, still in Monster Scalper, shorts. All right. So Swiss yen, that's a good short going here. Sell short signal is here. All red candles, nothing to do in the markdown phase. Turkish, your TRY, JPY, sell short signal is here. Trading nicely. Two previous very good short trades. New Zealand yen, sell short signal is here. That's trading nicely. I've heard from a few of you guys with New Zealand yen. Good job. All right. Also with CAD yen, I've heard from a few of you guys with that CAD yen trade. Good CAD yen trade. Now remember, right? So hold on to these trades, guys. Do not get out. Do not take profits on these. Okay. Let these trades play out. All right. You're going to need those profits, right, to build your account. So CAD, yen, sell short signal is here. Nice trade going. No support and resistance. So there's no need to take profits. No support and resistance yet. All right. So I know with sometimes, there are times when we can take profits when they're moving down like this. But this is not the time. This is a relatively early move. There's still a lot more, still a lot more. We don't have any real support until all the way down here. and then really, really, really good support down here. So we're a long way from that, guys. So let those trades run, let them do their thing. All right, build those profits. Euro, yen, sell short signal is here, right? Moving down nicely. Again, with this one too, it's an early move, fairly early move. I know if we look from here to here, it looks like it's been moving for a while. But if we look down, look at where we've got real support, over here, down here. All right. You can tell that this is an early move. So euro yen. All right. Good trade going here. Pound yen is starting to move lower. All right. Sell short signal is here. That's holding. Guys, pound yen is a big mover. So if you're trading it, just be careful, right? Be careful. Euro yen, sell short signal is here. Nice trade going there. SGD JPY. All right, sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. ZAR yen, keep an eye on ZAR yen. Right, we have really good resistance. Support here, here, and here. All right, so if you guys draw a line here, all right. So, let's see here. So we're trading within that box there. All right, so support is about right here. All right, resistance is about right here. All right, we need the price to hold. If you get a green candle, just close the trade, guys. All right, so green candle comes in here, close the trades. Right now you're about break even. If you get a green candle, right, break through here, or even a white candle, close the trade. If you want to close it now, you can certainly close that trade. All right, so ZAR yen. All right. Aussie, New Zealand, that closed the short trade. Sell short signal is here. All right, buy to cover. So we'll remove that one. And I think that's it for the shorts. All right, let's take a look at Forex Dominator. Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Long positions. All right, long positions. All right. Forex dominator long positions, long positions. UN now keep an eye again on these dollar pairs. So USD CNH buy signal is here, right? Trading right below support line here. Now this is where sellers came in before. All right, so pay attention to that. Remember, right? The dollar index is going down. These dollar pairs in monster scalper or close. All right, so you definitely want to take profits. You might want to wait for a white candle, but after a white candle, just take profits because this is what could happen again. All right, so remember, resistance is here, failing to break new highs, testing support. All right, we can easily get sellers to come back down just like this area here. All right, so keep an eye on that, please. All right. CAD yen. All right. Buy signal here, white candles here. Keep an eye on it. Right. You are in a nice trend line here. Hopefully, buyers can come back in. But again, you got sellers sitting here, 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 and now here. Okay. So just keep an eye on that. CAD yen. All right. Swiss yen. All right. That's holding. Euro yen, right? That's holding white candle here. Pound yen is holding so far. HKD, JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. All right, so go ahead and close that, guys. We have a red candle right here. And again, we have pretty good resistance up in this area here, but red candle, close that trade. HKD, JPY. All right. That's your Singapore yen, SGD, JPY, white candles here. Pay attention to it. Okay. Pay attention to it. Remember, sellers are sitting here. All right. That's where they came in before. So they remember these areas. So keep an eye on it. If you get a red candle, close that trade. If you're starting to get a red candle, you might want to close that trade and just take profits. Okay. It's a fairly profitable trade already. All right, Aussie yen. Aussie yen, that closed sell buy signal was here, broke support, white candle, red candle, sell signal by the system. All right, so close that trade, please. That's Aussie yen. Pound, pound Aussie, buy signal is here, that's holding fine. Pound Swiss, right, buy signal is here, white candles, that's holding. Pound HKD, buy signal is here, that's moving higher. Pound New Zealand, all right, buy signal is here, moving higher. Like I mentioned, pound pairs are moving. Pound SGD, buy signal is here, that's moving higher, breaking resistance. Let's take a look at the short positions. So short positions in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. The only short we have is USD MXN. All right, USD MXN. All right, so that's actually closed. All right, so here's the sell short signal there that closed. So just clean that up. No shorts now in Forex Dominator. All right. All right. Let's take a look at Monster Scalper, guys, and then we'll get into equities. All right, for the second half. All right, so Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. We're looking for new opportunities. All right, so new opportunities to go long in Monster Scalper. All right, new opportunities to go long in Monster Scalper. Pay attention to Aussie. What's that? Aussie dollar. All right, as the dollar pairs go down, all right, lower this Aussie dollar. Right, that's the reverse. Could give a buy signal to go higher. Previous buy signal here did really, really well. So we can break out of this area right here. We could get a buy signal on Aussie dollar. All right. So keep an eye on that. Aussie New Zealand. All right. Aussie New Zealand. Nice markdown phase. Green candle. Buyers are coming in. So keep an eye on this. We could get a buy signal. Okay. On this here. Let's see here. All right. New Zealand dollar. Right. Green candle here. We have a buy signal already. If we can break through here, the high here, this might not be a bad trade to get on. A lot of consolidation in here though, so keep that in mind. All right, USD TRY. All right, that's it's waiting right here. Be careful here. I know this has done well, but guys, look at this. Not very good price volume or volatility on the price chart. Okay, so that's never good. Okay, so just if you're gonna trade it, be careful, trade it lightly. Nothing here. A lot of consolidation in there. Euro dollar. All right, let's take a look to see if we have so euro dollar in Monster Scalper. So we're gonna add that, guys. So euro dollar buy signal here in Monster Scalper, and you guys, we're doing the update. We're gonna start doing the update. I think we're okay with launching this new system here, a new upgrade to Monster Scalper and also our Forex Dominator. But we'll start doing installations next week. All right, we'll look to start doing installations next week. So buy signal, all right, EUR USD buy signal here. That's still good to get in. All right, we'll add this one here, and then buy signal on the daily time frame too. So buy signal on the 240, buy signal on the daily. All right, so that is EUR USD, and that's long in Monster Scalper. All right. Let's see here. We'll add this one here. EURTRY has a buy signal on the daily, right? So we're following the trend. Buy signal here on the 240. Okay, so we'll add that EURTRY long in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. EURSGD. All right. Buy signal here retraced a bit. Held support. And here it is on the daily time frame. Buy signal here. All green candles. We just need to break through, right? Break through the high there. All right. So we'll add it. EURSGD. All right. Long. All right. And EURNZD. EURNZD. Buy signal is here on the daily. We just need right over here a buy signal. Okay. A buy signal to come in. All right. EURHKD. Buy signal on the daily. Buy signal here on the 240. Moving up nicely. Looking to break through resistance. So we'll add that. So definitely the Euro pairs. Making a move. EURHKD long in Monster Scalper. Okay. EURDKK. Look at that. Not a very good chart. We'll pass on this. All right. EURCZK. That's moved already, guys. My signal was here all the way up here. That's moved already. All right. Nothing here. All right, EuroCAD. All right, EuroCAD, nothing there. Euro Aussie. All right, no buy signal on the daily. We do have a buy signal on the 240. I would wait, have that develop more. Pound dollar, that's gone already, guys. Buy signal here. Good trade though. Buy signal here on the 240. Buy signal here on the daily. Good setup there. Pound SGD. All right. Pound SGD. Buy signal. Nice buy signal here. Are we in this one? Hold on. Some of these we might be in. Pound S. Yeah, we're in pound SGD already. Okay. Pound dollar. We're in pound dollar already, guys. So yeah, I'm going over these twice. Okay. So pound dollar, we're already in. Let's see, pound ZAR. Pound ZAR has a sell signal. All right, pound ZAR has a sell signal here. We're not in pound ZAR. Let's see here. We're just looking for new opportunities. Pound SGD, we're already in that trade there. Nothing there. Pound New Zealand. Let's see if we're in that trade. Pound New Zealand. We're not in pound New Zealand in Monster Scalper. So let's add that. So GBP NZD, and that's long in Monster Scalper. Yeah, long in Monster Scalper. Yes, yes. All right. Buy signal on the 240. Buy signal on the daily, trending up nicely. All right. So good confirmation. Pound HKD, we're in this one already. All right. Pound HKD, buy signal on both. Really good confirmation. That's why we add in, guys. We add in this, right? And a second chart, daily time frame to our Monster Scalper. And we add a weekly to Forex Dominator. Okay. Pound CAD, nothing here. No buy signal on the 240. All right, and we do have a buy signal on the daily, but we'll wait for that to develop. Pound CAD, all right, pound CAD. Let's see if we win it. Pound CAD, we win pound CAD already. Good trade going here for pound CAD. Buy signal is here all the way up here, all right, and it's just moving out on the daily. So pound CAD, and then pound Aussie. Are we in pound Aussie? We are not in pound Aussie. Boy, that's pulling back a bit. So we'll leave this one alone, pound Aussie, but doesn't look bad, right? Let's see how far it's gone up. All right, it's gone up. Buy signal was here. All right. I would say we'll wait. We might just leave that one alone. Okay. All right. All right. So these are long positions in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at short positions. So mainly the euro pairs long. Let's take a look at shorts. Okay. Short positions in new short positions in Monster Scalper. Mainly the yen positions are short. Okay. So let's see if we can add any more. Aussie Swiss. All right. That's a short position. Sell short signal is right at support. So good support here. My only concern that's gone down a bit. Okay. Let's see here. All right. Let's see if we can find other Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD, no sell short signal there yet. Aussie Swiss, Aussie New Zealand. See how that's closed? That closed the short, so that's a concern there. Aussie dollar. So let's hold off on any short positions here. Kind of mixed, two up, two down. All right. All right. New Zealand. Let's see here. Looking for shorts. New Zealand Swiss guys it's got pretty good support here. Right, really good support on the 240, and then look at that daily, really good support on the daily. All right, so the concern is this. All right, this is not a bad trade though. Trading between support and resistance, definitely trading between support and resistance here. If it breaks through that support, it could go. All right, it could go, but guess what? Buyers could come back in and push it higher. So a bit risky there. All right, no real direction. So just hold off on that. All right, nothing there. And then the yen pairs. Oh, we're looking for new positions, new positions. All right, so no new positions there. All right. To go short in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator long. So Aussie dollar, nothing there. Aussie New Zealand, nothing there. All right. Aussie New Zealand dollar, nothing there. Let's see here. That's gone already. That's your Turkish pairs. All right, nothing there. Euro dollar, and that's in Forex Dominator. Nothing there, so we'll add that. Buy signal here on the 240, right here. Buy signal. I'm sorry, on the daily. Buy signal on the daily. Buy signal on the weekly. Looking to break out. All right, so that is EUR SUD, and you guys know that EUR USD. All right, you guys know that the dollar is moving down, so these, right, inverse should move higher. Same thing here. EUR SGD, EUR SGD. Buy signal here, buy signal here. Looking to break out in Forex Dominator. EUR HKD. I don't believe we're in this one. All right. So EUR HKD. And that's long in Forex dominator right here. Buy signal here. Still looking to break through resistance. Same on the daily. All right. All right. Pound dollar in Forex dominator. All right. Pound dollar. We're in this one already. Pound SGD. I think, yeah, we're in this one already. Good trade here going, guys. Nothing here. Pound NZD, we're in that one. Pound Swiss, we're in that one here. I'm sorry, no, Pound Swiss. Yeah, we're in this one here. Let's move this. All right, Pound CAD. We're in Pound CAD. Are we in Pound CAD? No, we're not in Pound CAD. So we'll add Pound CAD, guys. All right, so Euro pairs, Pound pairs, they're moving higher in both systems. So Pound, GBP, CAD, and that's long. All right, in Forex dominator. Almost done with Forex. Pound Aussie. We're in our Pound Aussie already. So buy signal is here, moving higher here. All right, let's take a look at equities. Equities, guys, equities. And then we'll be done. All right, equities. So we'll start with over here. And let's take a look at the trades in Stock Boss. All right, let's do this. All right, we're looking for white candles as a warning, red candles as a sell signal, white arrow by the system. All right, as an exit. All right, let's go through this. We'll go through this quickly. All right, hopefully most of these have held. All right, ADE, that's holding. Good move going higher there. Holding, nice trade, nice price action. Look at this so far. Nice price action, guys. Most of these are holding. Nice price action. Look at that. A good price action. Nice price action. So far, no white candles. HUYA, white candles here. Keep an eye on it. Holding, actually hugging support there. All right. But so far, not a lot of white candles. Good price action there. Good price action. Good price action. Good price action. All right. Very good. Good price action. This one here, OPRT, give a sell signal. So close this one, guys, please. All right. OPRT, close that trade. Good price action. Good price action. PRST Sell signal right here. Buy signal here. Sellers came in. Red candle. Sell signal. Buy system. You're out. Good price action. Good price action. SOUN, white candles. Keep an eye on it. Good. Look at that. TMC. All right. That trade came in at what's that? 92 cents. Trading at 385. Good trade going there. So overall, good price action. The majority of these stocks, I would say a good 90 something percent are all holding, okay? Except for ZIMV. All right, close that trade, sell signal by the system. We should be out of that trade, okay? All right, so let's take a look at Bullmaster, stocks in Bullmaster. Now, these stocks have held up really well considering in Bullmaster. Those are large cap stocks. All right, so these are stocks in Bullmaster. These stocks are over $10. And same thing, okay? All right, good price action, guys. Good. Good price action. AMBA, white candle, keep an eye on it. Good price action, guys. They're moving higher. BPMC, red candle, they close it. Good price action. Nicely in the markup phase. Really good price action, guys. Stocks are definitely holding. Good price action. Look at these stocks move. A lot of good price action. Good for calls. These are great for calls. All right, that's it there. All right. We're going to go through this quickly. We're going to look for opportunities in both Stock Boss and Bullmaster. And we're looking for new buy signals, guys. So new buy signals that came in today and today only. All right. All right. So let's take a look at Stock Boss. Let's see how many came through today. 87. So not bad, right? Was expecting more considering the market Finished really, really nice. All right. So what we're going to do is we're looking for buy signal, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do an upgrade with stock box. I really like these multiple charts, right? Multiple charts, your foundation chart, and then your trading window. All right. So we'll do the same thing, and we'll start next week doing the upgrades. Okay. So let's see what opportunities we have. New buy signals. All right, in stock box. Stocks that are trading at um, $10 and below. But we're looking for a buy signal that came in today over here, guys. And then here we can look for further confirmation down here on the weekly time frame. Not that we trade on a weekly time frame. We just want to see what the price action is doing on the weekly time frame. So we're on the right side of the trade. We can be a bit more selective with these trades, all right? Very choppy markdown phase. Good buy signal, very choppy markdown phase, guys. All right. All right, that's gone too far. Looking for buy signals that came in today. Here's a good one here. All right. And this is why we're bringing in some additional charts on the systems to get further confirmation. So we got a buy signal. All right, nice buy signal. All right, look at this markdown phase, guys. Look at this markdown phase. This stock fell from what's that? 130 to $7.97. Good markdown phase, good support, breaking resistance. A nice big candle here came in today to break resistance. And guess what? Further confirmation. Let's see here. Let's see if we have further confirmation. We don't have any buyers, real buyers yet on the weekly time frame. But look, nice markdown phase, good support. We do have a white candle. All right, that white candle, right? That's for this week's action. We could get a green candle, and we don't have to wait for that. But good setup. This is where buyers came in before, right? Near the lows, near support here, started moving that price up. All right, so that's a good setup here. And that symbol is what's that? Let's make sure. CDL, CDL X. And that's in stock boss. That's a good setup. Looking for a buy signal that came in today. Good buy signal. All right. Let's see here. All right. Don't like this as much. All right. We do have a buy signal here. Good markdown phase. All right, a decent markdown phase. But if you guys look here, right, we don't have a flattening. We have a bit of a flattening here, but just like sellers came in here on that weekly and continue to push that price lower down this trend line here, same thing can happen here. And look what's been happening. Those longs has been failing. All right, those long positions have been failing. All right, so if we go back to the daily, this is in Stock Boss now. All right, see here where this is been failing. So that overall trend, this is why we're bringing in, all right, bringing in these secondary charts, right, on your systems. Not every system will have this upgrade, okay, but it makes a difference. So here, right, this long failed, this long failed, this long failed. So there's a good chance that this long here will fail, right? This long signal will fail because guess what? We're still on the weekly time frame in a very solid markdown phase, okay, which is right here. There are no buyers. We don't even have white candles coming in yet. So sellers are still in control. So we'll pass on this. Right. So we're going to one more step. We have a lot of filters, but we're adding one more step to filter these trades. Looking for buy signals that came in today. Same thing here. All right. We're going to wait for buyers. Now, we might miss some of these trades, but, you know, sellers can still come in just like they did here, just like they did here. Sellers could come back in. All right. And all of a sudden, this is another symbol now, guys. Look here. Right here. See here. There's another one here. And these shorts have been failing. And these shorts are failing because that overall trend here is one that failed. Right. So we'll clean things up a bit by selecting better trades. All right. And hopefully we have some examples where we show you where there are better trades with the weekly setting up nicely. Okay. All right. So moving forward, this is what we're going to do. All right. This is choppy, very choppy, a lot of consolidation. Let's keep going. All right, let's keep going. Let's see here. I believe we're in this one. All right, NINE in Stock Boss, NINE. All right, good previous trade here. All right, bought here, sold here, markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal here. Buyers are coming back in. All right, on the weekly time frame, we don't have any white candles yet. Okay, but we can see here holding support here. Right, red candles here. right? So it's not dropping like the other weeklies, right? When it's doing like this, it's holding support. Candles are making higher highs, higher lows here. So hopefully we can get some follow through on that. So we'll take this as a position NINE in stock boss. So NINE in stock boss. All right, let's keep going. And we don't have that many guys, only 87. All right, NVAC, nice markdown phase. All right. Um, a few trades that didn't, let's wait on this. Let's wait on this buy signal to develop a bit. We might miss it, but it's still, those buy signals are not holding. And if we look at the weekly, right, we don't have buyers coming in yet on that weekly. Now, some of these we might miss, but better miss them than, we got really good support here. I would say now we keep these longer, right, on in stock box. So even if we miss them a little bit on the daily, we can still get in. So all we need here, guys, this is good confirmation. This is a good example here. All right, nice markdown phase on the weekly. We just need a nice big white candle, green candle, and now that daily right here will shape up much better. Okay, all right. If you guys have, this is a little different than what we've been doing. All right, but we should get much improved trades with this. So if anyone has questions on this, just let me know. Put it in the chat or shout it out. PSNY. Let's make sure it's not here. All right, not a very good chart here. All right. Now we're not focused on any particular sector, right? Most of the sectors are moving. All right, look at this. Let's hope we're not in this. RNLX, RN. Oh, we're in it. We're in it. Yeah, so the buy signal came in, what was that, last week, guys? So, all right. So we're in this already. And look at this. This is exactly what we want to see. Now, if you guys want to take a trade, right? All right. This is an option here. Now, there's no guarantee, right, that this is going to work out. But good markdown phase. Buy signal came in here on the daily. But look at the weekly, right? So buyers are coming on the daily. And yeah, let's take a look at the weekly. These are the type of trades we want to take. And the weekly time frame will let us know that the selling is done, right? They're no longer selling on the weekly, right? That's where we can get in trouble sometimes, right? So if you look here, right, on the weekly time frame, right, we got pretty good support. Green candle last week, green candle this week on the weekly. good confirmation. Guess what? That daily right here, those buyers coming in there should sustain, should last, should hold. Okay. All right. RNLX, but again, we're already in it. SLDP. SLDP, we're not in this one. So let's see if we can add this. All right, not a bad markdown phase, right? We've had some buy signals that failed. Let's see if this one here, we got really good support down here. All right, we have a buy signal here. So the only concern is that these buy signals failed. So we would need to see a turn on the weekly time frame where buyers are now coming in. All right, where that selling is done on the weekly. We're using 2 time frames now. All right, 2 time frames for further better confirmation. So here it is on the weekly. We have really good support here. We have a wide candle here. All right, now look what happened with these wide candles. Sellers came back in. All right, so I'll keep an eye on this one. We won't add it yet, but if we can get a green candle, right, a green candle this week, that's much better, right? Confirmation there. All right, so we do have a buy signal here. But just know that sometimes it can get away. Even if it gets, the buy signal is at 260. It's at 304. All right. That's not much. But if it gets to about 350 or so, right, 1 point is not a big deal. You can still get in with this because we've got further confirmation, better confirmation now. So you can get in a little farther from the buy signal because we've got better confirmation on the weekly. Okay. What SLDP? Let's see here. WBX. WBX. All right. Let's see here. Same thing here. We've got a buy signal here, decent markdown phase. We can see here we got a good markdown phase. Buy signal here, buyers are coming in, gapping up. All right, and then on the weekly, right on the weekly here, right here's the weekly. We've got, look at this, right? Good support, white candles here. If price keeps moving higher, we could get a green candle, and you could get in. All right. We're going to call this one. This one is very, very close. Very, very close. And that selling has been done. All right. Looks like they're done selling it for now. All right. So WBX, all right, in Stock Boss. WBX. All right. All right. Look at Wolf. All right, guys, it is 8:04. We'll probably just stick with Stock Boss this evening, and we'll go through Bullmaster tomorrow. WW, there's a good one here. All right, so buyers came in, buy signal here, nice green candles. But look at your further confirmation. Okay, so nice markdown phase. Buyers are coming in here. We've got a buy signal by the system. We're breaking resistance. Yeah, breaking resistance there. All right, and now let's take a look at the weekly now. WW, this is the last one. All right. So we know the daily looks good. Now look at the weekly. All right, nice markdown phase. Got buy signal also on the weekly, and buyers are holding here. All right, so and on the weekly, not that we're going to trade off the weekly, but the weekly price fell from what's that, $103 to $8.66. All right, so um, just keep that in mind. We'll be adding right these additional time frames, not on all the systems, right, but most of the systems I think eventually will have a supporting um, foundational time frame to help us improve, follow that the trend, right? Trend following. So follow that trend. All right. So we'll continue to do that, and we'll do installations next week. So not this week, guys. Not this week. We have a lot going on this week, but next week we have good trades going on. All right, good trades going on. So our monster US 30 traders. All right. Really watch your trade here, right? It's holding. All right. The goal is to break through this resistance here on the daily. All right. So that's your US 30 buy signal is here. And I've heard from a few of you guys. So good job, right? Taking the trade. Good job taking it. Good job holding with it, sticking with it. And then the NAS 100, right? So our NAS 100 traders, just stay close because we could call this trade here. All right, it has struggled to break out. This is where sellers came in before. Sellers came in here before. Even here, sellers came in before here. All right, a pullback here. So we are hoping that it can hold this time. All right. I think definitely if we can get back above this area, we could see it move. But then we have some near-term resistance right here at 15,315, all right, which is not far from here. So we could see, all right, and this will be our first trade in the NAS 100 on the daily time frame. Look at this really good markup phase, guys. Buyers are definitely in control. All right, all this buying in here, all this buying. So we just need to break out here. This is a small consolidation, considering right on the 60-minute, and I mean they're trying to hold that price up and hopefully move. So our NAS 100 traders, we'll let you guys know if this is a buy, and we'll send it out to you guys. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great evening. Again, our US, right? US 30 traders, stay in this trade, and our shorts, our traders that are short in the yen pairs, stay in those yen trades, right? Stay in those short yen positions. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Great to be back. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. If you need me, you guys know how to reach me. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.